Hi and welcome back to another video in our Mercedes-Benz YouTube channel. So today a little bit of a different video for you, aimed at you, our Mercedes-Benz finance customers. So many of our customers nowadays use our amazing finance services that we have available and fund their vehicle via Mercedes-Benz Finance. I'm here today to tell you about an amazing piece of software which we have invested in for you, our customers. So let me tell you what this software does. Effectively, when you buy your vehicle, during the duration of the contract that you have the car, this software tracks the value of your car each month against your settlement figure on finance. So say for example, you're 18 months through your 36-month agreement and the system has been tracking, and bingo, all of a sudden your car equals what it owes on finance. Effectively what that means is that you're in for a phone call. So how this works is a little bit like if you have a mobile phone and your mobile phone provider gives you a call to say, great news, you're now eligible for an early upgrade on your phone. We effectively can do the same thing for you. So if you get a phone call towards the latter end of your contract from us, Mercedes-Benz, that is what that phone call will be about. So make sure you keep an eye out for that call. Also what we will do as a loyal customer from Mercedes-Benz, we'll be sure to include an extra loyalty support for you into the deal to make sure that you feel valued as a customer and just to say thank you for how much we appreciate your business. Now I know this is only a short video, so if you'd like any further information on this, the full contact details are down below in the description box. Okay, thank you once again for listening and be sure to tune into the channel for further updates. Thank you and goodbye.